Do you want to cool down fast when you're working up a sweat? Now you can with the Cool Snap Ice Towel from Neat Ideas. It's the light, stylish towel that turns ice cold every time you shake it. Simply wet it, wring it, and snap it to cool. What's amazing about Cool Snap is that when it starts to warm up, you just snap it again to make it ice cold, time after time. It's ideal for all kinds of sports. If you're on a run, an ordinary towel would be bulky and won't cool you down. Instead, the ice towel is small, light, and keeps you cool and refreshed as you go. It won't weigh you down on a bike ride either. Just snap the towel to instantly cool so you can stay on track. It's great for walkers too, as the lightweight bottle can clip onto your rucksack. Simply wet the towel before you go, or on the move, clip it on, and it'll keep you refreshed throughout your trek. The secret to the ice towel is that the water is absorbed into the hollow fibre core, and when air circulates around it, it activates the cooling technology, creating an ice-cold effect. See the difference? We tested the temperature before and after snapping, and it went from high to low in an instant. It's even effective out in the sun. Once wet, you can just snap it again and again to turn it ice cold, keeping you cool throughout your exercise. And it's not just for sports. Cool Snap could help bring a temperature down without having to move. You can keep cooling it down from your sickbed. And why not buy one for your pet? When your dog overheats, Cool Snap is the perfect at-hand solution. It's so easy to clean, just pop in the washing machine at 30 degrees. And it's available in 4 stylish colours. So keep your cool with the Cool Snap Ice Towel from Neat Ideas. Take yours to the checkout now.